Well, y'all, there we are, nestled in the trees again, but this time, no power and no water at the site. And it's 90 flippin' degrees. No rain, but we did just hear thunder. So, we're only staying here hopefully for 2 nights. And the only reason that we are here is because it was too wet to get into Bobby's cousin. However, we're going to go survey that tomorrow. And hopefully we'll have full hookup. Woo woo! Lake Norman State Park. It's not a bad park if you're tent camping in the fall or the winter. But for RVs and not having any power or water in the summertime, August, forget it. Each site has a picnic table, a lamp post, a fire ring grill, and a tent pad.
There's only about 6 of them that are worth parking an RV on because they're so incline or decline.
Exactly.
Yeah, there's only about 6 sites worth parking your RV on.
The bathhouse is okay. A nice handicap shower. And 2 other stand-up showers. And of course the toilets. It's okay, but it ain't great in the summertime. Not great at all. And as you can see, as far as we could see, there's one tent family in here.
1 RV.
And 1 other RV, and us.
Some of them are reserved for the weekend.
Yeah, of course you got the weekenders.
They'll come for 1 or 2 nights.
Right.
Unless they get rained out.
So, yep. We're here for those 2 nights, hopefully. I mean, we reserved it for 5, but we paid for 2, and hopefully we'll only be here for those 2. Because 90 degrees is not fun. Not fun at all. There's the muddy waters of the Catawba coming into Lake Norman. Oh yeah, muddy, muddy, muddy Lake Norman. What you doing, Mr. Childers?
Me?
Yeah.
Fixing up my grill. So I can cook me out some hot dogs. Or sausages or
Something. Some food.
yeah, food. Hello everybody. We're in a beautiful place here. We're out here kind of at the farm.
Yep. They're growing soy across the street here. Well, the drive.
And right over there, for some of you NASCAR people, over there is Highway 3, designated that number in honor of NASCAR champion Dale Earnhardt. Well, we're right up the road from Mr. Earnhardt's museum. We're right here in the middle of NASCAR country, Mooresville, North Carolina.
Woo woo!
How wonderful. So many nice people here. Great place. But I used to stomp around here a little bit one of my younger days. But hey, the place has really grown up. A lot of changes.
Oh, I'm telling you.
But that's the way it is in life. Things are always going to change.
That's it.
You can always count on that.
Got us a nice little wooded camping area here.
Yeah, free.
Yeah, Cousin Tony built a fire ring there.
Oh yeah, cousin's the best. Best cousin I got. Hey, picks up. We had a storm here, and we had to come through here, come out of the north down on us the other day. And we got picked up all these broken limbs. He picked up most of them. I picked up a couple yesterday.
Oh, they've already burned a big pile of them.
We burned a pile that was up to here.
Yeah.
Full of limbs. He's gonna do some. He's gonna do some work around here while we head out west, because he's gonna retire eventually. Right now he takes care of his mom, so he can't really take off a lot. But
right.
He's getting ready. He's got his van down there. He's gonna be Tony Montana, van man.
There you go.
So watch out, girl. He's single. But he's a really good guy. Really good guy.
Here we sit. nestled in the trees again, but this time free with full hookups. Oh yeah, we love it. Of course, we use their facilities. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's pretty nice. Hey, you can't beat free, especially with hookups. But yeah, we're out here. This is farm country right here. Farm country and NASCAR. But yeah. It's, and he just got told the other day, Tony did, that's cousin Tony, that right down back behind their house here, they're going to be putting in 500 homes. There goes the country again. Man, they're just building up so much here. Taken away from where we grew up. It's not at all like it was when we were growing up. Not at all. But nice clear day today though. We're gonna go spend another afternoon with some family. During that storm that Bobby was talking about earlier, these people down here, you see how big those oak trees are? They lost a big one in their front yard. Yeah, buddy, that was a heck of a storm. The trailer was a rockin', I'm telling you. It looks good now. Bobby cleaned it off yesterday. Yeah, it was covered. It was covered in pine needles, grass, and leaves. This AC back here was making a heck of a noise. We couldn't figure out what it was. He took the shroud off, and it was some little old pipe in there that was clicking against the shroud, making a bunch of noise. So he fixed it so that it's down behind some rubber, and everything's all nice and quiet. You can't even hardly hear the AC's running now. The top one's running. We don't. We only have 120 amp here, so we can only run 2 items. That's how I figure out how many things I can run. Because if you have 30 amp, you can run 3 things. If you have 20 amp, you can only run 2. And our AC is 10.5 amps. Plus, if you have a computer on, it's an amp or so. And if you have a TV running, that's an amp. You know, you got to figure it out. And you got the refrigerator coming on and off. So, you know, so 1 AC, the refrigerator, our computers. So that's what we're running right now. Yeah, it's not raining today. It's nice and pretty. You know, we can't ask for any more than this. Been visiting family here for a couple weeks now. And in a couple days, we're taking off toward Tennessee. I'm trying to get up with Brother Underwood to see if we can come stay with him for a couple days. So Brother Underwood, I'm putting a shout out to you. I think you changed your name on Boondockers Welcome. So I'm trying to figure out which one you are. Brother Underwood, look out for us. We're coming. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We're going to sit here and enjoy this fire tonight. Talk to you soon.